Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I am in a 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to enable or disable the hill start assist. This video will apply to Ram 1500s made from 2013 all the way up to 2018 and vehicles with lower trim that have this like a smaller radio. If you have like a full-on screen here, then the process will be a bit different. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now you can enable or disable the hill start assist through the settings here on the radio. So you want to select the settings and then you want to go to safety and assistance and hill start assist. And here you have the option, turn it on or off, right? And once you make your selection, press the down button in the upper left corner. Now, as it says here, hill start assist provides start assistance when the vehicle is on an incline. So if you're parked uphill or downhill, when you start the vehicle will maintain the brake pressure for a couple of seconds until you have time to drive away. That's what pretty much is, and this is quite a handy feature actually. So make sure you have it turned on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.